Basically, it is a very difficult, challenging market, as we found out during the IPO roadshow. But we're telling investors that the opportunity in front of Nio is huge. China is 60% of the global electric vehicle market and growing, even this year, 80% a year, even though the auto market is down. It just continues to grow. Second is Nio is basically the pioneer. We're the first with a premium electric vehicle in China. And the only other company with a premium electrical SUV in China is Tesla with Model X. Ours comes in at less than half the price, better featured, a faster car. So we think we compete very well, and it's customized for the modern Chinese family. 7-seater, roomy, fully featured, all the local content, all the local services, everything that they would want at about $65,000 to $70,000 US dollars. So it's a very competitive product.
So when Tesla says that it's looking to expand and build out facilities in China, does that concern you, or the other local competitors as the bigger rivals potentially down the road?
Yeah, I think we'll get competition from everybody, so we're expecting it. We just want to execute on our own business plan. I think we'll be competitive. Tesla should do it. If I'm Tesla, I will also manufacture in China to get rid of some of the manufacturing costs, the taxes, and the transportation costs. But I think our vehicle is, we have a new one coming out called ES6 that will be about 2/3 the price of a Model 3. And it's much more fully featured. It's faster, 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. It's longer range, 450 to 500 kilometers. And it's got all the bells and whistles. It's much more luxurious on the inside.
And that's this one here, the SUV?
Yes, it'll be a smaller version of it. It's a sportier one.
All right.
So it'll be a 5-passenger one coming in December. So we have the 7 and the 5.
Everything in autos right now, given the trade dynamic, is about local production.
Yes.
So do you envision selling cars here in this country, or is it about China?
We definitely would like to sell in the U.S. and Europe, but we want to come into the U.S. and Europe with something a little bit different. So we're looking for platform 2. So right now, the first 3 cars, 2 SUVs and a sedan, are on platform 1, which is very comparable to what's available from Tesla or Mercedes. But we have in the pipeline a platform 2 product that we will hopefully finalize in 2 or 3 years. That'll be super fast charging, 650 kilometer range, autonomous level 4, and a whole new design similar to the one you just saw.
But you don't think that tariffs or whatever inhibitors to trade there may be at that point would make your product uncompetitive?
Well, I think that's why we would consider local manufacturing.
You would?
Yeah, we would, of course. I think that's the way, thanks to the bilateral trade agreements that President Trump is negotiating, is pushing everyone toward local manufacturing. Right, that seems to be the wave of the future, unless things change. Global trade becomes either tariff-free or. And
what's the likelihood of that?
Yeah, exactly. There you go. There you go.
I'm guessing from your response, you don't think that's.
I don't think it's likely. Not at least until 2022 or 2020 pass. Yeah.
I want to dig into technology a little bit more before we let you go. Yes. You developed your own autonomous driving system, Nio Pilot. Do you have cars that are driving around autonomously in China right now?
We don't yet. Nio Pilot will be turned on in Q1 of 19, because we need to we need a lot of data. So we have a license to autonomous driving testing in China, and we need to collect more data in order to launch the Nio Pilot part. But things like emergency braking, pedestrian detection, all the other features, parking assist, everything is in there. So, but that last one will take a little bit of time to get enough data. But it works. It's just that we need to collect enough data to get all the corner cases.